this is the lobby of Bayview Port Hotel Manila. As you can see, it's currently front desk is right there, but yeah, there's no available seats if you're waiting. We're in the elevator now, going up to the 11th floor. On the 11th floor now, and we are going to my brother's room first. So here in my room, we also have a cabinet closet with provided hangers and an extra pillows. They also have a router there for the Wi-Fi, and it's quite roomy, so you can put plenty of things. On the other side, they have here the pillow, the hotel safe, which you can keep your valuables, your accessories, or some money. And over there, they also provide slippers, 2 pairs of slippers. Plus, they also have a laundry bag. They also have weighing scale here, but it's not working.
Let's go to the CR bathroom. So sa bathroom, syempre, meron tayong salamin. Then we have a magnifying mirror. Tapos may mga towels dyan. And lababo. Tapos may freebies silang moisturizing lotion, light gel, shower cup. Tapos may dalawang tapos may sockets. And then dito may soap. Ayan, soap. And then sa baba may bin. And then we have the toilet here. Ayan, so let's check. Malinis siya. Over here may tissue. May tissue. Dito yung kanyang power button. Sa lock ng door, ayan, may ganyan siya. Yan yung pinto ng CR. And then if you want to lock, ganyan. If you want to lock, open, ganyan. So ayan siya, pag maka-open. Tapos, meron tayo dito towel. Ayan, provided yan ng hotel. Tapos ito yung bathtub. Meron ding mat towel na provided din. Meron din siyang soap. Ayan, may soap din ditong provided. And merong shampoo. Palmolive yung shampoo nila. Shower. Ayan yung bathtub. Yun ang whole view. Yarn. May access doon. So, ayun yung bath door. Yung closet kanina. So, kaharap ng closet yung CR. Ito yung pinaka-exit door natin. Yan. Yan yung CR. And then, over here, may torchlight. So, pag tinanggal mo siya, isindi na siya. And then, mga ilaw for the bed. Ayan. Ito, ilaw dito. Ayan. And then, next, sara ko muna ito. Dito yung controller niya sa aircon. So, dito kinakontrol yung sa aircon. Tapos, dito na tayo. So, pag usog natin dito, merong mirror. Ayan. Body mirror to. Ito pala yung luggage rack. Nilagay ko na kanina yung bag ko. Yung luggage rack nila, you can put your bags here and the other things. Tapos ito yung table nila na may mirror din. They have 2 lamps and they have this for your food service. Meron sila dito if you want to order. and other reminders pa. Ito charger ko, nag-charge kasi ako kanina. And yung mga passkeys, the wifi, yung binigay kanina. Ito sa mga ano lang to, mga tawag dito, announcement nila. So, ayan yung mga room rates namin. So, yung nasa amin is yung deluxe. Yeah. So, we are in the deluxe bed, which is the 5'7" each. Meron yung t-shirt. May mga socket ng USB. Ito for the light. At ito naman for the... Yeah. And they have the Bayview Manila Hotel. Parang mga instructions. Nandito lahat. Tapos another, if you want another services, nandito din. So, nandito yun. Wala dito yung upuan kasi nandun. Hindi ko pa siya na balik. May dustbin sa baba. Ayun. Next is meron TV. And then meron din silang kettle, water, ano to, sugar, cream, and coffee. So, tas may tsaa. Ayan, tsaa, cream, sugar, and coffee. Tapos may 2 glass and 2 cups for coffee. And meron din sila ditong ref. Yeah, they have ref here where you can put your water or other foods. And over here, my curtain, which is pag binuksan mo, you can see the outside. It's just the Bayview. But limited lang siyang makita kasi malayo na siya. Ayun. And the other buildings over there. Yeah. So, medyo pa-night na kasi. Kaya ganyan yung itsura niya. Tapos, let's go to the bed. So, yung bed ko dito is dalawa. For the deluxe, dalawa yung bed niya. Naghiga na ako dito kanina kaya magulo na. So, let's ayusin natin ulit. So, for the beds, ayan. 2 beds. And what they have here is telephone. And then they have freebies na right and light. They also have freebies na Oreo and picnic. And the remote for the TV. Sa baba, they have Bible. Sa baba, they have Bible. Tapos, ito lang naman. And for the TV. Yan. So, overall, ayan ang overall view niya. So, that was our hotel door. So, ito pala yung ceiling niya. Yan. So, I think that's it. They have a carpet floor. So, they have inclusion of overnight accommodation, breakfast for 2 person, complimentary 30-minute Swedish massage, free local calls, free Wi-Fi, complimentary 1 extra bed for suite rooms. And check-in nila is 2 p.m. and check-out is 12 noon.